Welcome to the TechHub.training Excel Stock It Up Challenge solution. This challenge helps you determine if stocks are long-term or short-term. And to start, we're going to want to first make sure we have all the data we need for the final solution. And so, first thing to do is at the term held column, which would just be subtracting the sell date from the buy date. So in Excel, it automatically does the days difference, so you don't have to do anything special for that. And then to get if it's long-term or short-term, I did an if statement. So if the term held is greater than 365 days, it's going to be long-term. And then the value false would be short-term. And then the gain or loss would just be the difference between the sell price and the buy price. And for part 2, we also need days until a year. And so then you do 365 minus F18, then you add 1, the days until the year. And to get your solution for part 1, I decided to choose a pivot table since that's the easiest way to group the data. And so here I have my rows. I have if it's a long-term or short-term, and the sum of the gains or losses. And the tricky part here is the filter for the years. So if we just want to drag that off to see, sometimes we would need to filter out just for the years when we sold it in 2022. And so sometimes if you were to do the sell date and you put it in the filter, it will just give you all of the options. And if you go into pivot table analyze, you can't group the selection from here. And so I like to do, I just will put it in a row and I'll select one of the dates, and so you can group here, and then you just select years. And now it's only grouped by years, and then you can move it into the filter. And then this is all you're going to filter for 2022. And there's your correct solution. And then for part 2, all you're going to have to do is filter sell date. Just make sure you're filtering just on 2022. And these expand, but you can just collapse them and do it by the year. And then if it's long-term or short-term, you should make sure you're clicking short-term. And there's your solution for part 2. This is the solution for the Excel Stock It Up Challenge. And thank you so much for participating, and have a great day.